Let me be very clear from the start, guys. If your Pinterest pins are not getting impressions, if they are not showing up in the search, if you feel like you're posting but nothing is happening, it's not your niche. It's not Pinterest being saturated either. And it's not bad luck as well. It's missing or weak annotations, guys. And most people don't even know what annotations are. In this video, I'm going to show you how Pinterest actually understands the content, why annotations are the backbone of Pinterest SEO, and how you can make Pinterest work for you instead of guessing. This is not theory, this is how Pinterest works internally. Annotations are keywords and phrases Pinterest actually assigns to a pin. Pinterest does not rank pins based only on pin title, pin description, and hashtags. Pinterest uses computer vision, NLP, and user behavior to decide what is this pin actually about, who should we show it to, which searches does it deserve to rank for. The output of that decision is annotations. No proper annotation means Pinterest doesn't understand you.
I don't get it.
And if Pinterest doesn't understand you, you don't get any reach. No reach means no results, guys.
It's not working.
Now, let me break down the workflow Pinterest uses. This is where most people's mind explodes. Step one is you create a pin. Once you create a pin, you upload it to Pinterest. You put the title, you put the description, you put the relevant link, and then you associate a board. This is just the input, guys. Ranking does not happen there. Step two is visual analysis. Pinterest scans the image using computer vision. It looks for objects such as food, hands, jars, glasses, text blocks, and so on. And then it also looks at colors, style, the text written on the image. This step alone decides 50% of your feed. If your visual doesn't match what's ranking on Pinterest, Pinterest struggles to categorize it. Step 3 is text analysis. Now, Pinterest reads your pin title, pin description, board name, blog post content as well. It manages to read your blog post content because you have verified your site. So, Pinterest also extracts meaning, not just keywords. This is where entities, synonyms, and NLP phrases matters, guys. Step 4 is user signal analysis. Pinterest observes, saves, clicks, early engagement, and board context. So if the first batch of users don't interact, Pinterest reduces the distribution. Step 5 is data fusion. Pinterest merges visual signals, text signals, and user signals. This is where Pinterest says, okay, I understand what this pin is about. Step 6 is about annotation assignment. This is gold, guys. Pinterest assigns 1 or 6 word annotations, not long sentences, short, powerful phrases. These annotations have confidence scores internally. This is what decides search ranking, home feed exposure, and related pin suggestions. Step 7 is interest taxonomy mapping. Pinterest then places your pin into interest buckets. For example, food is related to recipes, smoothies are related to healthy breakfast. This is why random boards kill reach. So, guys, here's the hard truth why most people fail on Pinterest. They fail because they guess the keywords, they copy the competitors blindly, they use generic titles, and they ignore the visuals. Pinterest cannot confidently assign annotations to those pins, so Pinterest plays safe. In other words, they limit the distribution. Now, here's where Pintrendo becomes powerful. Pintrendo doesn't guess. It extracts what Pinterest has already decided. Here's a step-by-step process for annotation research using Pintrendo. Step 1 is find your target keyword. Go to Pintrendo, enter a seed keyword. For example, recipe ideas, healthy dinner, smoothie recipes, and so on. Pintrendo then shows current popular phrases and other long-term keywords as well. This is live Pinterest data, guys, not historical guesswork. Step 2 is to validate the data that you found on Pinterendo. Take one keyword, go to Pinterest, search for that keyword. Now, do not scroll randomly. Focus only on top pins, repeated design styles, common text patterns. Pinterest is already telling you what it likes. Step 3 is to copy the top pin URLs. Pick 5 top performing pins and copy their URLs. Next, use Pinterendo's annotation hunter function. Paste each pin URL into annotation hunter, hit fetch. Now you will see annotations assigned to that pin, phrases Pinterest associates with that visual, terms most creators will never see. This is insider information, guys. Step 5 is to rinse and repeat. Do this for top 5 pins, and now you have the combinations of all the annotations that Pinterest has assigned to those top 5 pins. And then next step is to remove the duplicates, and now you have a final list of annotations. Include those annotations in the pin description and try to include those elements in the image as well. Pinterest has no other choice but to push your pins.